Building Wealth from $0 in 2025, a legal economic framework. This lecture introduces a framework for building financial independence starting from zero capital, emphasizing mindset, skill monetization, and systemic leverage over trust funds or windfalls. 1. The myth of capital: you don't need money to start. Contrary to mainstream financial dogma, wealth creation in 2025 is not contingent on inherited capital, trust funds, or even positive net worth. The current economic climate has created unprecedented access to digital marketplaces, skill-based monetization, and scalable platforms that require no upfront investment. The legal economic reality is that discipline, structure, and marketable value creation outweigh the absence of capital. Footnote: this section challenges the assumption that seed capital is a prerequisite for upward economic mobility in 2025. 2. Your operating system is broken, fix it first. Budgeting is not the initial problem, your mindset is. Before a spreadsheet, one must reconstruct their financial worldview to track and direct capital, however limited, toward productive outcomes. Dollars spent emotionally or unconsciously perpetuate financial stasis. Begin by auditing every expense, only then can discipline translate into capital accumulation. Footnote: this section reframes the financial conversation from budgeting tools to behavioral systems and self-governance. 3. Sell what you know, not what you own. In the digital and decentralized economy, the individual is the product. You need no inventory to launch a business, only a monetizable skill. Whether it's cleaning, tutoring, editing, or cooking, listing your skills on free-to-use platforms such as TaskRabbit or Fiverr can initiate cash flow instantly. This is not side hustling, it is asset-light entrepreneurship. Footnote: this section explores knowledge-based income generation as the foundation for business formation without capital investment. 4. Convert earned income into ownership. The mistake of first-generation entrepreneurs is consumption upon liquidity. Instead, early earnings should be reinvested into appreciating or income-producing assets. Begin with high-yield savings, then graduate to tax-advantaged investment vehicles such as Roth IRAs or ETFs. The legal principle here is asset conversion, not passive savings. Footnote: this section details capital recycling strategies for transforming earned income into long-term financial leverage. 5. Credit is leverage, clean and use it. Credit is not merely a score, it is a social economic asset. A suboptimal score is not static, it can be rebuilt with precision tools such as Dispute Beast. Once your profile exceeds 680, access to zero-interest capital becomes a vehicle for expansion. The goal is not borrowing to consume, but borrowing to scale. Clean credit is not an aesthetic benefit, it is functional infrastructure. Footnote: this section frames credit repair as a means to access business capital, not personal consumption. 6. Start a zero-cost business. Business formation no longer requires overhead. Whether it's affiliate marketing, tutoring, print-on-demand merchandise, or digital info products, monetization requires strategy, not capital. Tools such as Gumroad, TikTok Shop, or Facebook Marketplace serve as no-cost launchpads. You are not building a business, you are building income-producing leverage. Footnote: this section emphasizes entrepreneurship without capital via digital tools and service-based business models. 7. Build a brand while you build wealth. Your reputation is now your digital collateral. Documenting your entrepreneurial journey across platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram accelerates trust and creates asymmetrical visibility. This is not vanity, it is strategic marketing. In 2025, credibility online functions as both social proof and customer acquisition. Footnote: this section elevates personal branding to a strategic necessity for credibility and income growth.